take this off here. Some jets from Amazon, a couple of dollars. Allen key, Phillips head screwdriver, small socket, 932 inch, whatever that is, in millimeters, I don't know. That was welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're doing a small upgrade to my camper. Now, the cooktop on the camper at the moment works fine, but for one thing, it takes forever just to boil some water. So I did a little bit of research on the internet and on YouTube and all the rest of it, and they said, why don't you put some new jets in it? So I got on Amazon the other day, picked myself up some new jets for the cooktop. So we're just going to pop these in and see how it goes, and hopefully it'll work. All right, let's get stuck in and put these new jets in. Now I've got myself an Allen key here. It is a special screwdriver thing there, but I found this Allen key and it fits the little screws at the top of the burner here. So we'll just undo these here. I'll just keep in the same little hole there, like that. And there's a Phillips head screw just down in there. I don't know if it's going to come up or not. There's two Phillips head screws just in there. I've got to undo them. So I'll go get my Phillips head screwdriver and get that one done. And there, that's the culprit. Let's get him out. It's a bit tight. Easy enough. That's it. Let's put a new one in. Okay, I've got my new one. It's a number, well, you probably won't be able to see it. It says 09, so it'd be about 09 mil, I would expect. So I'll pop that one in just in there, gentle. Being it's brass, and then you popping it into aluminium, I think it is, or it might be cast. Just be gentle with it, don't be too rough with it. Let's do it up. Now I'll just do it up hand tight. I reckon that's it. Now I'll just reverse the process and put it all back together again. We'll just do it up firm. I don't want to strip the screw out. Same as the other side. Go back to this one, just make sure it's right. Yep. One more. Done. We'll put the top little burner on thingy on now. Don't know what it's called. A thingy. Now I know there's just a specific screwdriver for these particular screws. I don't have it. I just found this Allen key in the shed and it fit. It wasn't that tight anyway. If it was tight, I probably would have went down to the local hardware store. Got the proper screwdriver. I don't know what screw it is. Yeah, it's pretty easy, isn't it? Is it 5-minute job? Make sure everything feels alright. It does. Pop that on. Alright, let's plug the gas in, see how we went. Alright, turn the gas on. We'll see how we went. Oh, geez, that's throwing a heap of heat now. That was an easy fix. I'll do the other one. That was an easy fix, easier than I thought it was. Now, gas jets from Amazon come in various sizes. You work it out when you click on the link. An Allen key, it's not the correct screwdriver thing for the top of it, but it worked. Phillips head screwdriver, small socket, a 932 inch, I don't know what that is in mils, it seemed to work for me. Hopefully you got something out of it. I've never done this before, and there's only a couple of little clips on YouTube on how to do this, so I thought, well, I'll make a quick little video up. All right, hopefully you got something out of the video. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video, and it's bye for now.